Okay, today we're going to be learning how to construct a triangle if we are given the length of the base and both base angles. As shown over here, we have a base of 95 units, so I'm going to draw a line and specify my first point, and I'm just going to turn on author again and type in 95 units, enter, and I'll just scroll forward with the middle button on the mouse and we can just spam down a bit. To construct the 60-degree angle is very simple. We are going to go to arc, center, start, end, and we are going to, from point B, scribe our arc to cut line BC. And I'm going to use a radius of 25, enter, and that represents my arc. Could just turn off this one. Alright, and then we'll repeat the same arc from the intersection of the arc on the line BC, that's our center, and we'll use the same radius of 25, enter. That's a 60-degree angle right there, so we could just draw a line from point B through that intersection, and we could type in whatever distance we want to move up to point D. So I'm going to type in 100, enter, and that's construction line. So we need now to go to point C and construct in a 45-degree angle, first a 90-degree, then bisect to get 45, and anywhere those two lines meet would be point A. So again, from here I'm going to scribe my arc, and I'm going to use a radius of 25 again, and AutoCAD scribes in the anti-clockwise, so I'm going to hold down Control to scribe in the opposite direction. So we'll repeat the arc tool, and from this intersection where the arc cuts line BC, I'm going to use 25 again for our radius, and I'm going to hold on Control again to go in this direction. So the same thing again for the third point. So that's my center, and the same radius. You must remember to enter the same radius, Control, and we'll repeat this twice to get these two arcs up here to form our 90-degree angle. From the intersection we'll go 25 units, and we'll repeat the arc tool again once more for that. Now that this is now our 90-degree angle, we could snap it there, and we just need to bisect that angle. So we'll go to arc, and I'm going to use, say, 30 this time, enter, and I'll scribe my first arc, repeat the arc tool, and I'm going to use 30 again. It must be the same arc from that point. Now we have a problem here where it's not touching. Instead of drawing over, we could select this arc, hover over the end and go to lengthen, and we just lengthen the arc based on what we want to achieve that intersection there. So we'll just have the line from the vertex through this point, and I'm just going to type in, say, 100 again for the length of that line, escape. So now we have accomplished point A here, and this would represent point E and point D on the diagram, and we're able to take these off if we don't want in AutoCAD. We could trim them with the trim tool, press enter, and then we just trim those two areas, and we could allow them to stay and just highlight the triangle that we want or we have constructed. So this is how we would show the construction procedures to construct a triangle given the base and the base angles. Thanks for watching.